My favourite pita is definitely Spanakopita because it's the one that my mum made the most. Pita is such an integral part of Greek cuisine. You can't imagine a Greek table, family or event without having a pita as a centrepiece on the table and sharing it. And it's about abundance, and a pita is abundant. I'm here at the Prahran market. This is where I love to be because food is my passion, and it's here where I get inspiration every single day. This is why I love shopping here, and this is why I buy all my produce here, because of ingredients like this. I look at this and I get excited because I think, what can I make with this today? Isn't this just beautiful? It's just about produce, it's food, and it's about taking the produce fresh as it is right now and using it. I'm looking for a really nice, firm bunch of spring onions. So this is lovely. So it's got the quality here. They're nice and firm, they're chunky, as opposed to odds and ends, skinny ones, fat ones. So I want to have consistency in my spring onions. Just the spring onions and the eggs, Emily. Thanks so much. I love these eggs and the spring onions. So I'm making Spanakopita. Yeah, so I have to bring you a piece.
Yes, please.
Hey, Julian.
Hey, Kathy, how are you?
I'm good. How are you today?
Good, thank you.
Oh my goodness, look at the mushrooms.
They're beautiful, aren't they?
Oh yeah, beautiful. Julian, I need spinach, but not that spinach. This is baby spinach. Remember, never use baby spinach for Spanakopita. No, no, no.
You need bunch spinach?
I need English spinach today. Some really nice
No
English
problem.
spinach. Well, they look nice and fresh.
No, they're good.
It's young. They're young spinach leaves.
They
It's
are at
like
the moment,
it's,
yeah.
you can tell from the
They're
stalks,
thinner, yeah.
thin stalks, but not that thin where we're going to waste a lot. Food is life. Food brings people together and it binds us. What I've come to realise, especially since setting up the Sweet Greek shop, is that cooking fulfills very basic needs we all have, and that is the need to create, to contribute, to share and to love. We're here at Sweet Greek, which is born out of my passion for beautiful food. One of the things that I love is making pitas. It's in my DNA. It's what I grew up seeing. We have the kolekithopita, which is the zucchini. We have kotopita. We have tiropita, which is our cheese one. And we also have the mikras spanakopitaki, little spinach triangles. All of it is very popular, and we make a variety of them every single day. I learned to make spanakopita this way from my mum, and I find that by preparing the spinach this way, the colour stays a lot more intense. The freshness is definitely there. It only bakes once in the oven, the spinach, whereas if you're sautéing and then baking, it's a totally different concept. It's not that it's wrong, but it's how I learned to make Spanakopita. I like to add a little bit of rice to it. I sprinkle this in. By adding the rice in there, it's going to absorb any excess moisture, it's going to expand, and that's going to enable our pastry to be nice and crunchy. Not too many eggs, we only need about 3 eggs. For me, this is the essence of cooking. It is using our hands to make something out of simple, honest ingredients, purely for the purpose of bringing warmth and happiness, however momentary, to others. So I'd like to use a mixture of olive oil and extra virgin olive oil and clarified butter. I'm going to do 3 sheets so it keeps it nice and firm. Now I'm going to turn this over. This is important. Fold your pastry over like this. I want to make it even thicker. And this is the part that I'm going to just brush, and I'm going to add a little bit of like a sausage. The end as well. So I like to fold in this end because you don't want it to spill out of the end there. Fold it over. So tuck it in now. Spend the time at this stage. Tuck it in. There we go. butter the end here so it can stay together. There we go. Nicely done. Nicely done. We just want to be gently putting it in, and we're going to put that in there again. Butter it. My favourite pita is definitely Spanakopita because it's the one that my mum made the most. Pita is such an integral part of Greek cuisine. You can't imagine a Greek table, family or event without having a pita as a centrepiece on the table and sharing it. And it's about abundance, and a pita is abundant. And just to finish it off with a little bit of water, just a little bit of water. What I want to do at this stage also is score it. So how you score it is up to you, and that enables the steam to escape as well. Our Spanakopita is out of the oven, and if only you could smell this. It's just unbelievable. I can smell the Fillo Pastry, the butter, the spinach. It's beautiful, and what I love is just how well it's baked. But words are not enough at this stage. Let me take a piece out so you can see what we've created. See what I mean? Look at that. Look at that. The spinach, the feta, the air pockets in the spinach. This is what it's all about. It's crunchy Fillo Pastry, spinach filling, buttery. It is the essence of what I do. It's how I want to feed my family and everybody else I know. Oh my God.